Hi folks, this was meant to be an unboxing video of the Hornby Western Master DCC set. However, the camera, it recorded it and I did all the work of making the video, but when I came to upload it, the file was corrupted, so it was a complete waste of time. Anyway, I've successfully got it running, so I'm going to take away the boxes. Not very interesting, is it? Push this up. He's going round now backwards. Let's change this direction. To forward. Something you can do with this set is you can run a program that oh, it's come off the track, oh dear. Well, I've got it going again. I found it kept stopping on the point, and I found when I examined the point's a little bit bent, which is a bit annoying.